Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this tutorial using the LSP Newborn Presets within Evoto, I'm going to show you how you can quickly put a base edit on a newborn image. In this example, newborn with mum and dad, this beautiful parent pose here. The LSP presets in Evoto are backloaded with presets that also affect mum and dad, siblings and grandparents as well, so you don't have to spend time editing them separately. Please excuse my voice, I sound a little bit like Phoebe's sticky shoes right now because I'm just still getting over a laryngitis. So, we're going to dive straight in with this one. You can see we have three incredibly different skin tones here, and we're going to want to balance that out a little bit. For the full in-depth tutorial about what all of this does, you can watch tutorial number 1. I'm going to come in with the perfect sock straight out of camera base, and it's already given us a lovely sweep. I'm also going to manually set the white balance here, just to clean the image up a little bit. I don't need to change the exposure at this stage. So now we're coming into the image toning section. Don't need to tone this image, I don't believe at the moment, but I can always jump back to that later. Now we're into the blemishes. I'm going to play Skin Fix Full, because baby does have some blemishes on the legs and the areas, and so does mum, a little bit of bruising as well from probably a line that was popped in. Now we're into Skin Retouch. We're going to go for Polish Vogue for this one. And we're going to use the Skin and Tone Perfect, because we want to go for a really polished high-end look. And again, you can adjust all these in the blemish, skin, facial reshape and things like that area in Evoto. So you see there before and after we've added makeup for mum, we sorted the eyes out. This is a very heavy edit for Evoto. You can go a lot lighter using the presets. This one I'm showing you a kind of real polished magazine finish. And at any point, if anything is too much, you can come in here, say for example dad. For this image we can click dad. On the skin retouching, we can take some of that smoothing off if you wanted to. We can also take some of the unify down. And now we're into the finishing section. And we're going to go for the, what should we go for? A little subtle contrast, I think, just to add a contrast pop to this image. So there we have before and after. Real polished edit, but we still have a difference between the skin tones. So with these different skin tones, I'm just going to go into the skin retouching section. We want to basically warm dad and baby up a little bit, brighten them, and we want to kind of tone the warmth of mum down, just so they blend. Not too much because she is tan. So on the female section, I'm just going to pull this down a little. You see mum's skin tone is changing a little bit. Just a touch, not too much. On the male section, I'm just going to warm him up. You can see there, dad is now changing. Just a little bit. And on baby, we want baby to be bright, so I'm going to click on child. And you can click on one of these masks that are kind of ready-made for you if you wanted to. But I really don't want that too much. So I'm just going to brighten her up a little bit and cool down. Now for just a click and slide AI program without anything like Photoshop brushing, which is still the gold standard of editing, I think this is an amazing job. So let's see how before and after. We've gone for that real polished edit that this family has requested. Really beautiful. In a couple of minutes, and you can sync that across the gallery. And baby, I'm just gonna brighten baby up just a little more. And there we go. That's a super quick edit. You can see the hair has been kind of sorted, but again with Evoto you can see there's some discrepancies here. So I always recommend zooming in at least 100% and making sure you're happy with areas such as eyes, lashes, anything that's gone missing on anyone like that. You can just go through and super quickly going through the sections. For example, on man, I'm going to take freckle all the way down. Just little things like that you can perfect, but for a proofing gallery or a super quick edit, Evoto is amazing, and these presets are going to help you race through that even quicker. So I hope you love them. You can check out all the other tutorials on the LSP Actions site or YouTube or in your downloads section. I'm Lauren. Thanks.